service layer. The cache. The cache is used to improve the system performance. In Hybris, every model_get_property method first checks if there is a value in the cache. If absent, then db call is done. Once items are updated or removed, cache for such item is invalidated on all nodes across the environment. Cache is having fixed size, and once it's full, one of its entries should be removed to make the room for the incoming item. There are 3 eviction policies that are defining the way which item will be removed. LRU, least recently used. LFU, least frequently used. And FIFO, first in, first out. For the flexible search results, there is the separate cache region. Sometimes you can have the unique query, like query with the current time, and you don't want to have such queries filling your cache. To achieve this, disable caching for this query inside the flexible search query object. Here you can see the configs, size and policy for the 4 default cache regions. The cache statistic is available in the HAC under the Monitoring tab. Here you can see lots of information about hits, misses, fetches and other stats. To create your custom cache region, you will need bean for the cache region, bean for the cache region registrar, and XML files with beans specified as the global context in the project properties file. Here you can see the region bean definition, the cache region registrar and its properties. In the end, I can see my region in the HAC. In most cases, you will not need to interact with cache regions as it's done by the platform. However, if you want, you can invalidate item manually, clear all cache regions or the specific one. Let's wrap it up. Out-of-the-box caching solution is the big help in terms of the performance. Default regions are defined in a good way, but if you need, they can be easily customized. Adding new regions is very simple as well. And remember, don't cache the unique queries. That's it for the cache topic.